I'll be your professor for the semester. I just wanted to do a quick overview, talking through what you guys are going to be doing. I've already done a bunch of posts. This video will be this link. This was the summer link, but you guys will have a new link for this semester. So go ahead and read over this. You guys will want to introduce yourself on D2L. So under discussions, communications discussions, under the first discussion, you'll introduce yourself. You'll want to make sure that you use discussions weekly, or every week. Post, or do you need to submit 2 posts as part of your grade? And the post can be questions. Usually it's just like if you're stuck on a problem, you can submit a question, and that counts as a point. If you don't have any questions, you can just read through everyone else's and reply. And the idea is, if you reply more than twice, so let's say you post like 10 posts, then I would give you your 10 points for the first 2 points, and then the other 8 points are bonus. So you'd get 18 out of 10. Is that right? No. Yeah. If you post 10 points, you get 18 points. So that's kind of how discussions work. That's a little chunk of your grade. Some people have gotten double percentage on their homework, and it's bumped them up to a whole letter grade. So discussions are helpful for those of you that need the extra boost. Everything else will be on WebAssign, so you need to register for WebAssign right away. So you can click on, this is how the homework works. I think I maybe also do a quick video on how to register. If you haven't registered before, you just type in WebAssign.com, and then you click on this right here, enter class key. And the class key, of course, is this, Norman Dell 5538759. So then homework is the big thing that's due weekly. All of the schedule is on WebAssign, even though I give a separate schedule on right here. This is if you want to look at it all at once, kind of, you can see it there. It is all at once as well on the WebAssign, but this calendar includes test and take-home test and discussions. So this is the course manual. This one is the course manual. You all need to read that and then take a quiz on it. That's the only quiz you'll take on D2L. So once you read through the course manual, you want to go to assessments and then quizzes. This is the only quiz that I give you guys on D2L. All the other quizzes are on WebAssign. Let's see, and then tests. There's 2 tests. You'll be using the Lockdown browser. Both of those are on WebAssign. And then 2 take-home tests. Those, the way that happens is I'll email you and post the take-home test about 2 weeks before they're due. And then you have the 2 weeks to work on them and then submit them in assessments. So in assessments under assignments, you'll go here and submit your take-home test 1 and 2 once they're due. If they're late, I do deduct some points, but you can turn them in late. You just lose 10% of your points that you get. So if you got 50 out of 50 and you turned it in 2 days late, you'd end up with a 45 out of 50, which is still an A, but you lose a chunk. All right, I think I covered all the major assignments. So discussions is a weekly thing. Homeworks and quizzes, those are a weekly thing. Those are on WebAssign. The take-home test, that's only 2 of those throughout the whole semester, and then a midterm and a final. So that covers all of the assignments that you guys will be doing. You may ask me, how do I learn how to this material? It's up to you to learn. I have posted or linked some of the videos that are associated with WebAssign. The textbook is on WebAssign, the e-textbook, so you read through that, do problems. A lot of people use Khan Academy. For me, whenever I learn, the way I learn by doing problems, seeing a few problems and then doing them. And so I would end up watching a few problems, but then I'd end up using like something like Slider.com. Slider.com actually, this is my video on how to use Slider.com. So the way a Slider works is you can watch this video, you'll go through, but it essentially goes through and gives you all how to solve problems, so you can kind of see a solution worked out on a certain problem in the book, and then you can figure it out from there. So hopefully that works for you all. If that's not your style of learning, you maybe don't want to stay in this class, but I will work with you and do my best to help you stay in the class and do your best. I am fairly flexible, and I hope you guys do well in this course.